So now the next step is to start drawing. So did you have a design in mind?
Yeah, I have a design. We're just going to duplicate the redistribute design.
Okay.
So I'm just going to go ahead and draw that. Since I'm used to drawing it, it won't take me too long.
And you need to hold the t-shirt down and make sure you
Yeah.
stretch it well.
Yeah,
so.
as you'll notice, I'm pulling the t-shirt along with the drawing, and that's the best bet you can that's the best way to do it.
Okay.
Yeah, and like I said, if you want, you can go over this with paint. You can just use maybe you want it to be a lighter design. So it's really up to you. You got to make sure that you have to heat set this as well, just like you would paint. It needs to be heat set. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Especially this.
Because it just washes off.
Yeah, you need to, if you're using a fabric marker, I have a lot of people that are like, that's not going to wash off. I'm like, no, it's not, because I heat set it.
So you can also use paint if you want to paint inside, and then do the same thing with the hair dryer again.
Absolutely.
Great.
And this is just a design I'm used to drawing, so folks, if you're watching this and you're like, oh my god, she's going crazy over there, I don't know why I can do that. I'm used to doing this. This is my design.
Great.
So I've been doing it for a while.
All right, so that's the step. Draw whatever design you have in mind. And next, we are going to maybe color it and cut it.